This kit makes the car sit so freaking low. Like, it is insane how low the kit actually sits. The front bumper has been taking the most beating. So I can't tell if you guys can see it, but it is chipping quite a lot at the bottom right here. That's gonna have to be fixed with some body work as well, which won't be bad because I'm gonna be working on the body work with this anyways. So, and also on the rear bumper, I'm gonna have to patch up a little bit of holes from the V1 fenders. On this side you can't really see it, kind of see it right here. There's like a little hole peeking out. So we're gonna have to cover that before we send this car in for the new color. And it's worse on this side. This is what I was talking about. So it's a little hole from the rivet nut. My overall goal for today is to finish all of the body work on the car. Pretty much make this car ready to send it in for its new color. Now I'm not sure if I want to wrap the car or if I want to paint it. So that's just one thing I'm not too sure on yet, but I want to finish all the body work so we can move on to the next step. You guys a general idea on how low this kit actually sits? So this is the fitment now, or I guess you can say the ride height right now. Look how low it is. Oh my gosh, like, and it's at this height too. It's not like my car's like stanced or anything. This is way lower than when my car was stanced, like cambered out, everything slammed to the ground. Makes me think like no wonder people don't stay static when they go V3. Like there's so many people on bags once they put this wide body kit on, which explains the reason, because this is not really low whatsoever and the bumper sits like that. In my situation, these tires are actually really bald. I'll show you guys right now. These tires are getting pretty bald. But since I need some new tires, went ahead and got some 255 40s for the front. Now these right here are much thicker than the 245 35s in the front. So the new ones are wider, plus they have a bigger sidewall, so that should raise the car up a little bit to where the front bumper won't be like literally on the ground. So it works out pretty good that way. So yeah, sometime later we will throw these new bigger tires in the front. So a lot of you guys are asking me what kind of hardware I used for the wide body kit when I installed it. So I actually swapped out hardware in between videos. Now I'm running these little Torx screws. They're kind of like Allen bolts, but they have like a little special design. But anyways, these are 16 millimeters in length. These are M5 ones, M5 thread, and I'm running M5 rivet nuts on the car. What I used to run that I actually swapped out was these M5 Allen bolts, but the only thing is these were 25 millimeters and these were way too long for the car. So they're much longer than the new ones I'm running. It took forever to like unscrew them off of the car. There's some parts on the car right here, especially the front fender at the bottom, where there's like the frame right behind it, and there's some metal pieces behind the fender. So some of the long ones didn't want to go all the way in because they'll be hitting stuff behind it. So these 16 millimeter bolts are honestly perfect. They're perfect in length. I guess that's just a tip for you guys if you're going wide body. Just go ahead and buy like some shorter bolts. Don't buy these super long 25 millimeter ones. Kind of wanted it to be different, and I got these like little plastic. Well, I thought these were rubber at first, but they came out to be like plastic. It's just a little thing to add behind the bolt just for some style instead of just using the bolt. So I don't know, I thought that was pretty cool. I haven't really seen anybody run something like this. So yeah, I just got them because they're super cheap off of Amazon, and I thought it'd be pretty unique. It's kind of hard to see because the whole car is black, but you guys can kind of get an idea. So you guys are probably wondering why I had to take off my front fenders with the front bumper. Both of them are attached. There's two bolts right here. It's like nearly impossible to take off the bolt that's like right here close to the headlight. Just such a weird, inconvenient angle. Like, can't detach both of them while they're on the car. So I have to take off both of them. That's if you guys were wondering why I had to take off my front fenders with the front. We're gonna get working on the front bumper. Pretty much making all of this look really smooth and nice. Now it's pretty much just like raw fiberglass. There's a lot of stuff I have yet to sand down. So we're gonna be working on this for the next, I don't know, a few hours or so. And then in the process of that, we are gonna be patching up these holes here on the rear bumper. Ew, why did it make that sound? I just filled up the holes with a ton of fiberglass for the back. Now what is left to do is Bondo the front side. We're gonna hit the bumper as well. Make this bumper look way better than this. Looking much better. It's just the first layer, and it's already looking pretty good so far. It's looking much smoother. These I'm pretty much done. Like, that was just like a one take thing. This is the messy part. I'm full of Bondo dust. Like, I don't want to bore you guys to death with all of this like sanding and stuff, so I'll probably catch up with you guys once I finish up all this body work right here. Real quickly, I wanted to talk. I realize I get like this in certain situations whenever I'm making a video. When I have an idea of what I'm gonna be doing like the whole day, like for example, say today I wanted to finish all the body work and then throw the wheels on. When one thing doesn't really go right, or if I like end up running out of time or daylight, I seem to get into this like this really bad mood. Like, I get into a funk. I mean, everybody gets, you know, everybody gets upset, everybody gets in like these bad moods. I don't know, like I just have this video in my head, like this good video that I have planned out, and once it doesn't go right or if something like goes wrong, I just get really upset. And that's like me right now. I don't know, just that body, like all the body work, all that stuff on the bumper, it was just so boring. Like, I didn't enjoy doing it, but it has to be done. I don't know if it's because I'm in a bad mood or if it was just like taking too long, but I just wasn't enjoying working on that bumper. Like, it was all day, literally just Bondo, sanding, all that stuff, and I felt like it was so boring to film, so I didn't get much footage. Yeah, that's just like me right now. That's just how I feel. I feel like I just gotta chill out, but I'm gonna be making the best of what I can today, and I'm not just gonna complain all day because that's not gonna help anything. So I hope you all are enjoying the content. Like I said, it's pretty hard making some certain things entertaining, especially with like processes that are just like full of repetition and just the same thing like today. So honestly, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. If it's boring, I apologize, I'm sorry, but that's just like what I've been thinking about. And I'm always open for like constructive criticism, so if it is, let me know down in the comment section below, or if you guys are enjoying the videos. Yeah, I'm gonna be making the best out of today. I'm not gonna keep my head down and be all bummed out because I still have some time today, so I'm gonna make use of it. And I've just been thinking, like, I'm just like looking at the I know this sounds like kind of cheesy right now, honestly, but I've just been driving listening to some music, and especially with like this sunset, like I've just been like thinking about everything. I do that a lot when I'm driving, especially in the FRS. You know, I kind of have some time for myself. I feel like therapy for me, like driving and just like reflecting on life or whatever you're going through. It's just nice to get behind the wheel and just like let go, literally. Reflecting on how many of you guys love the videos and how much you guys support me. And it makes me feel like so much more better, because sometimes I just tend to like forget and just get lost in like these bad moods. So real quick, I just wanted to thank you guys for being you, literally. Just thank you for being you. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm so grateful for all 28,000 of you guys now. As you guys see, it puts like the biggest smile on my face. So yeah, I'm hoping they take me in. I'm like showing up 30 minutes before they close. Yes, there's still people here. All right, we're gonna go in, see if somebody, whoa, I'm out of focus. There we go. We're gonna go in, see if somebody can help me, and head back home ASAP. Oh my gosh. What is a Chris vlog without either one, spending all my money on fast food, or two, being low on gas in the FRS? If I wasn't driving the truck right now, and we were in the FRS, I would be accomplishing both of those things in the vlogs. Here we have a full tank, but in the FRS, we have no gas. It's like almost empty. I'd like to have a number 17, please. I'll take a medium with a Dr. Pepper. Yeah, and then also, can I get... What can I start for you, tender? Honey mustard, please. So these are 255 40 18s SS595 Federals, but these ones aren't the same tires as the ones on the rear. I would have got RSRRs for the front as well, but they didn't have the size that I wanted. They didn't have 255 40s. They only had the 255 40s for the 595s. It's not gonna bother me too much. They still look really nice. At least the front and the rear are Federals. Not really that stretched. They have a little mini stretch to them, but they look so nice. They're way beefier than the other ones. I'm excited to see what they look like on the car. Earlier I threw on the 25mm spacer, so I think this will sit flush with the V3 kit.
Oh, these wheels are so heavy.
Dude, that goes so hard. Oh my gosh. That is literally perfect. I was afraid that the inch spacer was not going to be enough, but this is honestly perfect. This is like the right amount of poke I like. The fenders do have a little, it does have a little lip right here, which I'm hoping I don't have to shave, but if I do, then I will obviously go ahead and shave it, but I don't know. Maybe we can possibly leave it on, but damn, it looks so nice. Oh my gosh. Yes. Dude, that is so good. I can't believe it. They literally came out perfect. Wow. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. I love that so much. Dude, look at that. Next is the rears. The rears definitely need some improvement. We're gonna save that for next video. The front bumper just sitting on the car definitely made a huge difference. It still sits pretty low, but before, trust me guys, it sit way lower. Like, it was crazy. Like, I can definitely notice a difference. So that's gonna pretty much do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage that I got today. I tried making the best out of it, even though earlier I wasn't too happy with what was going on. I was not able to finish the body work that I planned on doing today. I mean, we did make some good progress on it, as you can see. Got the bumper right there, but stuff with the rear bumper I forgot to do. So I'm gonna have to push all that stuff to some more days. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, finish that up. So yeah, I'd say today was a success, even though earlier I was in a bad mood, but pushing that aside, we made some good progress today. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave me a like on the video if you enjoyed. As always, I hope you all have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.